welcome back to Lookin Delicious.
So today we are on a hunt to look for the best shawarmas in Dubai. Right now we're gonna look for places where we can find shawarmas.
Before that, we're on our way to IKEA Jebel Ali for our photo shoot for catalog in IKEA.
So yeah, stay tuned.
Okay guys, so right now we just got done with our picture, but while waiting for that we're gonna go and grab the shawarma from IKEA.
Since we're here, so we're gonna try that first.
Haley's here.
Little Haley's with us.
So this is the harabara without pickles. This is the regular without pickles and regular.
So guys, this is actually different shawarma, two different shawarma. These three are normal shawarma, and this is what they call the harabara, the marinated chicken. How much is this?
7.
7 dirhams.
7 dirhams.
So, go guys.
It's not that hot. Normally it is very hot.
So, first bite.
It smells like shawarma.
For 7 dirhams, it's a good meal.
I have a lot of garlic.
So after this, we're gonna pick up the catalog from IKEA.
American. It's not meeting my standard. For shawarma, even though the price is only 7, I don't think it's worth it.
I mean, it's fine.
I like it warm, my shawarma. I expect this to be slightly warm, especially the meat.
Actually, here, there's so many places where you can find a really good shawarma. So after here, guys, we're gonna go to the next location. Yeah? It's gonna be in Satwa. Hopefully, we'll find one good shawarma. Yeah?
I like it when they flatten the bread.
When they press
slightly
the bread.
warm, when they press it. Like
I like it like this.
I'm not eating mine. I can't finish it.
Let's go, let's go.
So guys, we just finished up in IKEA. We've got our 2 copies here. These are the hard copies. We've also have our soft copies which were airdropped to our phones.
Yes.
So this catalog thing, this photo shoot was an opportunity for everyone, just to keep in mind that it wasn't a personal photo shoot. And yeah, it was just really, a good opportunity to get
Have a
involved.
copy. Yeah, this is the latest version of IKEA catalog.
So moving on, guys, we're gonna go to Satwa for our next shawarma. So see you there, guys.
See you there. Okay, we are now entering the Sheikh Zayed Road. This is one of the busiest street in Dubai. We're 7 minutes away from Satwa. That is the Burj Khalifa. See, it's very tall and beautiful.
Here we have the new Museum of the Future. It still hasn't opened, but this is the most unique structure for tourism. Alright guys, as you can see, we're coming to a little bit of a stoplight because this is the Satwa roundabout. This place is like Little Manila because there are a lot of Filipinos here. So there with the lights flickering, that's where we're going.
Look at this, guys. They have Marina's Duo, Marina's Vaps, long shawarma. So hey guys, this is Marina, right? New Marina in Satwa. We're gonna try the small one, shawarma chicken with cheese.
Okay.
Yeah, one spicy and one normal with cheese. Yun na, yung mango lassi.
Mango mixed with yogurt.
Yeah. Wow, thank you so much. Which one is the spicy?
Ito spicy, dalawang namin.
So every time you're gonna order shawarma, there's a
Complimentary.
complimentary.
As you can see, they're already chopped up. This is what it looks like.
This
Okay,
is
let's try.
chicken shawarma.
Yeah.
Chicken shawarma.
Look at that. The sweet cheese.
Why is not that hot anymore?
So nice. One of the best.
Even if you're not that hungry, you can eat one whole shawarma.
Yeah.
I really like it because the bread,
So thin and crispy.
yeah.
Yeah. The flavor is so nice. Combination.
I wonder what kind of cheese is this. Cream cheese?
But
Pickled
mostly
radish.
the shawarma that I've tried have so much French fries inside. This one,
Oh yeah.
Some of the shawarma here in Dubai, they have French fries inside. And I don't like it.
I like it.
I don't like it.
No?
I like it with fries.
but some are old world, like half
Okay.
of the fillings are French fries inside.
But this one is so nice. The cheese, the chicken, it's moist. Your verdict, guys.
Alright. I give this a 9.
For me, 8.5.
10 for me, 10.
10.
9.
10.
10.
So we've got 9, 8.5, 10, 9, and 10.
Ay, meron pa isa, oh.
Yeah. Kainin mo na.
Chef.
See, wala ka tang kita.
One more.
Shawarma.
Just waiting.
Eater.
See you in our third location, Alwarka.
So, overall, guys, the damage is... the damage is 36 dirhams. Yeah? So, we're paying 36 dirhams for 3 orders of shawarma plus juices.
3 juices. It's a
Yeah,
combo
3
meal.
juices. Yeah, it's a combo meal. They have a promo. They have three branches now. First here in Satwa, one in Alriga.
That's the main branch.
That's the main branch, yeah, in Alriga, and one in
Albarsha.
Albarsha. Yeah, so try it out, guys. It's really nice. Yeah, one of the best shawarma that I ever had.
So far.
Yeah, so far.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ano po shawarma niya?
Masarap niya. Welcome back.
Yung po,
Bye-bye. Thank you po. See you again next time.
Okay.
We will come back. We'll bring some friends. Thank you.
Bye-bye.
Okay, we are now here. We just entered the Alwarka area. This is where we will try the third shawarma.
So the restaurant is called Set Al Shams. I think it's Lebanese.
And they're very
Lebanese
famous
style.
with really a good and quality shawarma.
So guys, we're already here at Set Al Shams.
So we're just ordering one, the large one, and it's 12 dirhams. And we asked the guy to cut it into 4. So we can all share because we're already full. This is our third stop.
Because we just want to try. We just want to compare.
Compare.
Gonna compare
Correct.
the 3 shawarmas that
We've tried.
we tried this evening.
At the end of this video, we're gonna compare
Compare.
the 3 shawarmas and which
compare.
one will have the highest score and which one will get the least. Well, based on the criteria of the taste, the value for money, and the size altogether. But ultimately, it's the taste.
So we just need to wait. This is time lapse. So guys, please don't forget to follow and subscribe to our channel. Our next video after this it's gonna be another mukbang. So
Ooh, stay tuned for that.
yeah. So 12 dirhams. How much is this in peso?
168
168 pesos, guys.
Philippine peso.
So for those who are watching in Philippines, yeah, this is 10 dirhams.
140.
140 peso. I
Here we
think
go.
our police.
Set Al Sham is from where? Lebanon? Syrian. Ah, Syrian. So it's a
Syrian.
So we can
Okay, so
enjoy.
guys, our mistake.
So,
It's Syrian.
It's a
Yeah,
Lebanese,
Syrian
it's a Syrian restaurant.
Yeah.
There's a complimentary pickles again.
This is what we call the anti-umay.
Yeah.
Yes.
Wow. Okay.
Wow. Oh, look at that.
So here you go. There are four. This is one shawarma.
One order.
One order.
You just ask the guy to slice it
to
to
cut
four.
into four.
Yeah.
So we'll share. If it's looking delicious,
Yeah.
try it. Okay, let's go.
Try.
Wow. Wow.
Nice.
Oh my
Nice.
Can you try?
Yes.
Can we try?
God. Okay.
Nice. Second.
This is actually.
This is a real shawarma.
Nice.
This it's the real taste of shawarma. Like as you can see here. Here you go. It has pickles inside. With the chicken is really good, and garlic sauce, garlic
I think
paste.
this is also cheese.
Yeah, there's garlic as well.
Garlic sauce.
It's full of meat.
Yeah, it's nice.
It is.
And it's so hot.
It is.
Yeah.
It's really fresh.
It's so fresh.
I like this one a lot, but I think I prefer the one that we
Me
ate
too.
in Marina.
I scored this 9 because I prefer the cheese version. But if you like really a shawarma, this is a real shawarma taste.
But for me, it's similar to the second one that we have, the Marina, no? With cheese.
New
But the
Marina.
flavor on that one, it's different than this. It's actually, for me, a traditional shawarma.
Yeah,
The shawarma is also nice, but I'm gonna score it 8,
me 9.
Me is 7.
7. Ate,
I have water.
8.
If I have a choice between this one and the New Marina, I'll go for New Marina. Why? Because I like the cheese in it.
And it's cheaper there.
Yes, and I prefer the one which is done with a lot of garlic.
Here, that one order, yeah, the long shawarma, it's 12 dirhams without drinks, and that's it, without drinks. In New Marina,
It's more affordable.
more affordable, yeah.
But here you can also buy the small version, which is 8.
Yeah, they also have a smaller version of that.
To wrap it up,
So for IKEA, the score is
4.7.
4.7. New Marina restaurant is
9.2.
9.2. And Set Al
And the
Shams,
Set Al Sham is 8.
8. So that's it, guys.
That's all for tonight, guys. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe, push the bell icon to be notified whenever we post, and do comment in the section down below if you have any suggestions. See you next time.
Bye!